Hello, my people. So today I'll be playing 10,000 Reasons. That's the title of the song. That's Bless the Lord, Oh My Soul by Matt Redman and Steve Angrisano. It's a very nice and sweet worship song. Okay, so I'll play in the key of C and I give you a full piano tutorial. Let's go, alright? Alright guys, so it's a very nice, beautiful worship song, and so it's a very simple chord progression, guys. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna start with the chorus because I started with the chorus. 1, 5, 4. Alright, we are playing C major. This C major, alright, F major, 1, alright, 4. So I call 1, 1, 4, and 1, alright, and G major 5 and 5, 6 minor, right? That's 6. Okay, and 4 and 1 and 5, 1, 4 and 6. All right, this time around take 6. Okay, now. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Alright. Oh my soul. Alright. There's holy name. Sing like never be 6. Alright. 4, 5, 6. Alright. And 4, 5, and 1. Alright, that's all about the chorus, guys. So we now get to the verse. Normally the song has about 3 to 4 verses here, so I'm gonna just take one because the other one, like you see, you're rich in love and you're slow, is the same chord progression of the one I'm gonna give now. Even which one? And on that day when my strength is failing, it's the same thing. So alright, so I like this, the verse 1. Okay, the sun comes up. Alright, the sun comes. Okay, 5. This 4. The sun comes up. 1. Alright, it's a new. Okay, then 5 major, Donny minor 6. It's time to 4. It's time to 1 major. Sing us song again. Alright, whatever 4 may pass 1 and what 5 like this is me. Let me be singing when the evening comes. Alright, again. Let me be singing when the 5 and 6. Alright, so guys, so that's it. I hope you learned something. That's all about. The other verses remain the same. Hope you learned something. Do subscribe to my channel. God bless you.